I'm Becky. I own Butterworth Service Center in Ingersoll, Ontario. I have been using AutoLeap since March of this year, and I switched over due to paying for 6 other programs, and AutoLeap does it all in one.
I think just everything that you guys implement, from customer name to car info to easy ordering, but just being able to track marketing, profitability, hours, and also be budget friendly, cost efficient, cost friendly.
The biggest problem I had was I'm computer illiterate, but they made it easier for me to put it on my system and help me to get it running. And they always called me every other week just to make sure everything was good. If I had any problems, I was able to contact them and get it done, fixed.
So being a Napa Auto Pro, I have to provide specific statistics on a regular basis, and having the AutoLeap, it's all in one spot. I don't have to go digging. Everything just shows up on my dashboard and in my reports.
I would say the best part is how quick we get a response from the AutoLeap techs. When we do have an issue, we hit the chat box, and next thing you know, someone's there talking to us. Even 6:30 at night, California time, I get someone on there, and I was amazed. I was like, ain't nobody gonna be there. But yeah, somebody will respond, and it works out pretty good.
So the CRM is huge for us, allowing to send messages to customers via text and email, and let them know specials we have going on during the year, or a specific time of the month.
I would recommend AutoLeap to any shop, 100%.
Well, I can tell you, if you're looking for some sort of platform to run your automotive business, I recommend AutoLeap for several reasons. One, it's easy to use. The interface is super nice. The tech support is great. And the price you pay for it is really not that bad.
I would recommend AutoLeap to any shop that is looking for a new system. It is such a user-friendly program. I have recently hired a new service advisor who is not computer literate, and he has caught on very easily. It's just a great program overall.